Okay. Do this one. Hurry. Already? Oh, that's not good. Today is the 11th.
It would be 2 to the negative. Oh,
All right. 1 over what? Did you already figure it out?
Yeah.
Okay, what did you do?
I did. You have to break the 16.
16 breaks down to 2, or
4 and 4.
4 and 4, which breaks down to 2 and 2, right?
Then you have to circle all of them.
You have to have 4. What happens?
2, 3. 1 goes down.
So now I have 2 to the negative 7th, right?
Cross the line, change.
Cross the line, change the sign, so I have 1 over 2 to the 7th, which I can leave that as my answer, or I can write as 1 over what? What is 2 to the 7th? Didn't you tell me?
No.
What is it? 128. Are you sure? 2 to the 7th. Oh, it is. What? He's in my room.
Your room?
We just switched this hour.
Oh. So that was always going to be switched?
If he's not in my room, check the computer lab in the counseling center. That's usually where he goes. Okay. Everybody got it? Okay, let's talk about questions from section 5.4.
So was I right?
Well, he was, but his class is in my room. So, there has to be My niece has it, so it's like, she doesn't know. Oh! Want one of these? But they're good, I'm sure.
They are.
I'm sharing them, huh? Okay. Submit it now. Yeah, but Tyler, it's better late than never.
Yeah.
No, Tyler, it is. Because you get some points if you never submit it, like somebody sitting next to you.
Yeah, Andrew.
Okay, I didn't point fingers, but you could probably go like this.
Hey.
It is what it is. All right. Yes. 22. It's right here. Okay. What do you want to do with this one? Ideas?
With what one?
This one.
22.
Yeah.
What number is this?
22.
Break her down.
5-4. Well, if it was me, I would use my exponent rules and move this in and this in. Okay? So I get 64 to the negative 1/6, and I've got n to the negative 12/6.
Well, now you gotta cross the line.
Okay, so now I'm going to put 1 over 64 to the 1/6 and n to the 12/6. Right? Okay. Now what? That's not the answer. Well, because first off, I know what 12 over 6 is. 2. So I'm going to have something over 1 over n squared. But what about this?
Leave her.
I would write it this other way, 6th root of 64. Right? Well, let's break this down. 64, 8 and 8, 2 and 4, and 2 and 4, 2 and 2, and 2 and 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Interesting. So I can bring out a 2, so now it's going to be 1 over 2 n squared. Good one. Kara, good one. Which one? 31. 31. Yeah, I'll do 31. Okay, 31 says, the shot used in a men's shot put has a volume of this. Find the radius. Well, the volume is this. Here's our formula, right? So I have 905 equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Have we done anything like this before? Maybe. Yeah, we have. It's called literal equations. What do we got to do? Solve for what? R. It wants us to find R. That means get R by itself. Go. Do we like fractions? How do I get rid of them? Okay, so I times this whole side by 3 and I get 4 pi r cubed. When I times this side by 3, what do I get? Two, 7, 1, 5, according to my calculator. Now what? Trying to get r by itself. Here it is, over here. I would divide by 4 pi. And then I have 2, 7, 1, 5 divided by 4 pi equals r cubed. Do I have r by itself? I still have that cube up there. How do I get rid of a cube? How did I get rid of a square? If it was a square, what did I do? There it goes. If it was a square, I take the square root. So if it's a cube, I'm going to take the cubed root. Good. So my answer is the cubed root of 2, 7, 1, 5 over 4 pi is equal to r. Now, if you want to, you can put that in your calculator. Oop.
Is that a good answer?
Well, that's a valid answer, right?
Oh, it is?
Of course it is. 2, 7, 1, 5 divided by 4 pi. And I get r equals 6.
Yeah, but isn't pi 3.14?
Yeah, I just put pi in.
But what if you cut us off pi?
What?
What if you do 4 times 3.14?
Okay, you want me to do it that way? Okay, so 4 times 3.14159.
What the? Whoa, you know that?
That far.
Wow.
Okay, times, divide, 2715 divided by my answer, and square root it, or cube root it. And I still got 6.
What was the other one?
6.
Oh.
Here.
Well, how did you know all this stuff?
Do you have this calculator? There's a couple things that are really important. Number 1 is this second negative button at the bottom will give you the answer from up above so that you don't have to remember it and type it in again. So, for example, if you needed to do 5 times 8 plus 2, and you needed this answer, and 42 is not hard to remember, but if you needed 597 divided by that answer, you can do the second answer and it will give it to you. That's an important button. I don't know, pi is right here. That's an important button. Matrix will be if you're doing matrices. We'll do those. Okay, any others from our homework? Okay, if you turn the page, you'll see that there's no notes again. Right? So it's just more problems to do. Now, if you turn the page again, I just want to show you. What does it say at the top? Where it says review. So you guys know everything you need to know for our test on Friday. Aren't you ready? I told you we had 6 chapters. We're getting, like we have 10 days left. We got to be getting close. Okay? So, go ahead and work. If you have questions, holler. We'll jump back up here if we need to. Do some more questions. And go from there. Need help? Okay. Well, you just kind of have to hand. I didn't know if you were hand up or... Did you get an opportunity?